Spidey, where are you? Spider-Man! Where are you? Oh, look, look, look!
Hey everyone! Looking good out there!
Look!
Wow, this is a friendly neighborhood. Welcome to Avengers Campus.
Whoa, look!
This is a great place for a big speech. If I had anything important to say. It's time for a little Spidey exercise. Now that's what I'm talking about. Watch this. Did I make that look easy? Because it totally was. Oof! Ow! Planned that totally on purpose. Watch this move.
Spider-Man,
Oh, hey, Sharon.
should we conduct an altitude test?
Yeah, I guess I should do some work.
Always good to have the data.
On my way. Just need to find a clear path for somebody to swing from. Oh yeah, it's go time. Field testing, here I come.
Spidey, Andy.
Look, look, look. Say Spidey!
Spidey! Spidey!
Whoa! I can see a castle from here. Spidey rush, feet rush.
I should know.
Sorry.
No shame, that's your nose.
Saw that?
Yeah.
Spider-Man, a message for you from Mr. Stark. Socialize immediately. Proceed directly to hanging out with friends.
Saw that?
I concur.
Okay, I'll be right down.
He's coming right there. Oh, right there. Oh, Spidey! You gotta put your hand up. Spider! Ah, look, look, look. You gotta put your hand up. Put your hand up. Put your hand up. High five. Look, 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 look. Right there, look. Put your hands up. Look who's that. It's Spider-Man. Look at that. Oh, he didn't give you a high five. He's sad. Oh, no. It's okay. Oh, he's sad.
Spidey's sad.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Next time.
Never meet your hero.
Next time. Next time.
Next time go here.
Yourself out.
And he's gonna come see.
Look, it's Spider-Man. Look.
Okay, it's our first visit. Okay, so we're in the Avengers campus for the first time. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Would you like to join me over here?
Yeah, let's go take pictures.
Oh, he said take a picture. Correct. Jaimeson, take a picture now.
It's your turn, buddy. Oh, there you go.
I'm gonna go with you.
You're fine.
There we go.
Just wait right behind you.
Yeah, good job. There we go. Good job, Mike. Very nice right there.
I'm right here.
It seems you got like a special spider gadget right here.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Does this one spring web as well?
No, it doesn't web.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa, I've never seen. Whoa!
Look, look.
That's so cool.
How about Spider-Man holds it?
Oh no, it's okay. I think it looks better on you, but
Oh, okay.
I already got the red glue. I think it's cool if you spread it, right? That's pretty awesome. All right, would you like to get some web slinging pictures today?
Go like that. You don't need to be shy.
Awesome, just like that.
I'm doing sad.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Ready? Oh, you doing shakas?
Stop. Yeah, perfect. Awesome.
Say thank you,
What's
Spider-Man.
your name, bud?
Say Jaimeson.
Jaimeson.
Jaimeson, thank you so much for swinging by today,
Wow.
bud. Would you like a high five? Good job.
Okay, say bye.
Okay, bye.
We'll see you
Jaimeson.
later.
Have a great rest of your day.
Thank
Campus,
you.
all right? One more.
That was so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
Like Candyman bubbles.
He saw your bubbles.
Super awesome, guys. Thanks for
know.
celebrating with us. Have a great day.